Hello, everybody, how have you guys been doing? You guys are watching Tech World. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can add link to your Instagram story. So if you add a link to your Instagram story, then basically whoever views your story can click on that link and can visit that page or like that video, whichever link you put out there. Alright, so in the past, you guys needed to have like 10k followers, you need to post link in Instagram. If you guys knew in the past version of Instagram, you need to do that swipe up thing, and it will take you to that website, which it was linked to. But now that swipe up thing is removed. Now we can add a link. Alright, you can embed link on your Instagram video or picture. And I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can do that. But for that you need to have Instagram to the latest version or it's not going to work. So make sure to update your Instagram to the latest version and follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on with today's video now. Shall we? First step, go get the link where you want to, send your viewers or like your story watchers to. So I want my viewers to go to my website. I can copy the link of my website over here. So I'm just going to copy it, but you can copy whichever link you want. Alright, and what you can do is upload a story. So I'm just going to, click on my story icon over here where it says your story. To upload my stories, I'm going to just click a random photo over here. So I'm just going to click a random photo just like that. And I'm going to click on this little sticker icon with this bottom right corner peeled out. So I'm going to click on that sticker icon. And over here, what you need to do is you want to search for link. Once you search for link over here, it's going to show you a link. And once you see these stickers under stickers, there's this link icon with a pin, you can click on it and over here you can paste the link which you just copied. So I'm going to paste my website link over here. So I'm just going to paste it, and once you paste the link you can click on done. Once you do that, basically over here you can even right click, so I'm going to write hey visit my website to know more. Once you do that, basically when somebody clicks this link, they will be taken to my website, and if they click on your link, they will be taken to that page where your link is set up to. Alright, so just click on the arrow button at the bottom and click on share. Click on done and should be added to your story.